Hello, wishing you a day full of sunny smiles and happy thoughts. Good morning, my dear students. Let us have some fun learning new things. Okay, ready? Today we are going to learn pattern. Okay? So, what is pattern? An arrangement of lines, shapes, colors or objects in a particular manner makes pattern. Things or objects in a pattern are getting repeated in particular manner. We can form many patterns depending on the arrangement of same object in different way. So let us see how to form patterns. Suppose I have some alphabets and if I will arrange them in particular manner like A, B, again A, B. So this is the pattern of alphabet. Okay. 2 times A, 1 B, again 2 times A, 1 B. Okay. So what is pattern? A particular thing which is getting repeated here. What is a block here? A block is AAB. So the same block is getting again repeated. That is AAB, AAB. Okay? Clear? Okay. Now, suppose we are arranging particular things or same things in a specific manner. Then also we are getting pattern. Suppose these are some pebbles. And if we are arranging it, so this is also one of the pattern. Okay? You will get the pattern. Suppose I have some leaves. So, and if I will arrange them in specific manner, so it will also get some pattern. One short leaf is there. Then I will keep one long leaf. Again short type leaf. Then long leaf. Short leaf. So this is what? This is also one of the pattern. Or if same leaves, you will arrange in particular manner to form different design, then that is also one of the pattern. So this can be your one of the pattern. Okay. With this type of leaves. So this is one of the pattern. Again this side also we can arrange same type of leaves to form a specific pattern. So this is also one of the pattern you can see. Okay. Suppose we have some beads and if we will keep them or we can arrange them in one thread, so we can get a beautiful pattern and we are getting a beautiful necklace. What is the pattern? Some white beads are there, then colorful bead is there, again 2 white beads are there, again 1 colorful bead is there, and we are continuing this same pattern. Okay. So whatever the things are there at your home or in your surroundings, so observe the things and try to find out the pattern. Okay. So I think this concept is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.